Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by accessing settings so you can change typing behavior. Swipe down from the top of the screen to reveal quick settings, then tap the gear icon. Once you're in settings, look for device options or languages and keyboard depending on your Fire OS version. This is where keyboard controls live. Make sure you stay on the main settings page. That keeps options consistent and prevents clicking through to unrelated menus, saving time as you move to input settings. Next, you go deeper into keyboard preferences to disable autocorrect. Tap languages and keyboard or keyboard and input, then choose the keyboard you use, often Amazon keyboard or Gboard. Once in that keyboard settings, find options labeled autocorrect, autocorrection, or predictive text. These control automatic replacements and suggestions. Turn off the autocorrect toggle, and if present, also disable aggressive prediction or auto-capitalization to reduce unwanted changes. Make sure to confirm any prompts so your selection is saved. Finally, verify the change and handle problems quickly. Open a note or email and type a few words to confirm autocorrect no longer alters your input. If you still see corrections, restart the Kindle Fire to ensure settings fully apply. That often resolves lingering behavior. If autocorrect persists, update the keyboard app or return to keyboard settings and choose Reset to Default Preferences. If nothing works, check for system updates or switch to an alternative keyboard app to regain control over typing behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.